We love the way a fresh floral bouquet brightens up a room, but we just wish it would last a little longer. The obvious alternative is those silk florals, but today we're thinking about the unobvious. This is a one-of-a-kind creation to spruce up your space this spring by using flowers in unexpected ways. Michelle Inkley joins me today with 3 fun floral projects that provide a unique alternative to those fresh florals we love. Thanks for being here, friend. This is going to be so fun. You're so good at fresh, beautiful, and happy, which is obviously this display. It's so beautiful.
It's so fun.
It's so fun.
Okay, so here's my thing, is I was trying to do something kind of crafty. I have my little G babies and I'm like, what can we do that's fun? And I was scrolling Pinterest and I saw these like flowers made out of, and I couldn't figure out what they were. They looked really like velvet. And then I found out they were pipe cleaners.
Okay, I was gonna say, these look different than your regular average Joe pipe cleaners.
They kind of are your average Joe. They're just in great colors nowadays.
Okay.
So just get them in the good colors. Sometimes they come in thicker. So just look, I got these on Amazon. But as I was like looking into this, it just reminded me of my grandma and how she had these big poinsettias on her tree that were like velvet. And I just, that memory and that, I'm like, okay, I'm doing it. So I started making them and putting them on the packages and things that I wanted to do.
So cute. You're gonna show us.
I'm gonna
There's
show
no
you how to do it.
secrets here at Studio 5.
Okay, so it was really fun to do with the little kids, right? They don't look as good as, you know, the adults.
Not
but that's not the point. The point is to have fun with them.
Yes.
So grab your Chanel stems and we cut 3 of them in half, so you have 6.
Okay.
This is how easy it is. You're gonna just laugh how easy it is. Take your long one that you have that's not cut and just wrap him around in the middle.
Okay.
And kind of twist it off. So you have this little.
So far, I'm a star student.
So far, you're doing awesome. And then then you're just gonna bend the little ones in half so that they're all going the same way.
Okay.
But the thing is you want the long ones on the outside, okay?
Oh.
So the long ones are gonna now.
Spoke too soon about being a star student.
No, because we're just learning here. They're gonna go on the outside like that, okay? So you see what I'm saying? So it looks like an octopus.
Okay.
So we have that. And then you're just gonna take, if you have like a shorter one, and you're just gonna kind of wrap them together so they stay together.
Oh,
with one of the long ends.
With one of the long ends.
One of the long ends.
Okay.
Okay.
Wrapping together.
And then you have your petal or your leaf or whatever you need, right?
Okay.
These come in all different colors. You can do sunflowers, you can do white ones. That's like the main flower that I thought was so cute. It kind of looks like a poinsettia, so who knows, come Christmas, these might be on my Christmas tree.
We might be back.
We might be back with these on my Christmas tree.
I'm finally caught up.
Okay, so after you've got your petal, then just here, I'm gonna use this one.
She doesn't like mine.
Okay.
It's terrible.
Okay, it takes a minute, right? It takes a minute to figure it out. And once you do, it's like anything, you just can whip them out. But then you just get 6 of them and you put them together with another like little pom-pom or little Chanel stem.
So you're just repeating the process.
Repeating it over and over and over.
Look at how that turned out.
Hot gluing it together, adding one of the green ones for the little.
Oh,
isn't that cute?
Come on.
There you go.
So you're putting these on top of gifts, you're putting them.
Because you know I love a good party or showers or gifts, and I like to make them extra special. So I thought it would be fun to put it on gifts. I actually used the little ones for some little neighbor gifts that I had to give out.
Oh,
and so I just thought that added a little extra spring, a little pop of color.
Gonna be Michelle's neighbor.
I know, it's cute. So anyway,
cute.
A fun thing you can do with the grandkids or kids in the summer, but it's kind of cute too for wrapping and maybe a little bit of decor.
Okay, next we're moving on to fresh florals, but in a different way.
Yes, so I was at Magnolia down in Waco, and they had these gorgeous flower prints. And I was like, what is that? Is it painted? Is it pressed? So they had taken the paper that they pressed the flowers in and used the paper that the flowers were pressed in as their artwork.
Okay, so it's like the remnants.
Kind of the remnants. But I kind of did some research and I figured out that we could do it our own selves without a press, using a hammer.
She said I get to hammer the flowers.
We get to get our aggressions out.
We are here.
Yeah. So it depends on what size you want, but take some fresh flowers. Now the flowers have to be fresh. So something like this wouldn't work because it's kind of crunchy and it's lost its, you need the liquid inside of it.
Okay. Am I laying them face down?
Yeah, you lay them any way you want, basically.
Wow.
I did it all different ways.
She's telling me I can't screw this one up.
You cannot screw it up.
Okay.
Then put over, now I would use a thicker paper, like a watercolor paper.
Okay.
And then just put some parchment paper and just
now I'm gonna go.
Hammer.
Cover your ears.
Hammer. Yes. And
This feels great.
hard. You just have to get your aggressions out.
One of those like Wreck-It rooms where you're just gonna go mess everything up.
And it might take some time, like it took me maybe like 5 minutes just to like hammer it out, because what you're doing is can you see that? How it's sticking to the paper?
Oh, yes.
Because all of the color and the oils are going into the paper.
Can I remove? Oh,
you remove?
My poor guy's just not gonna remove.
Well, that's the beauty of this, is sometimes you can leave some stuff on and it looks so pretty. So like maybe you want to leave that part on.
Oh, friends.
So just hammer, 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 add more. It is so much fun. Let it dry. And then if you put it in a fancy frame, it kind of looks like fancy artwork. And
Yes.
it's just flowers from your garden.
I'm so impressed, yes. Okay, and actually the last one, I've seen it all over my feed. It is having a major resurgence.
I know.
I'm interested to see what you're gonna do. Dried florals.
Okay.
They're
So
everywhere.
I'm not a fan of dried florals. To me, I feel like they're brittle and they're,
Yes.
I mean, for fall maybe.
Right.
But I saw this in Anthropology. They had these dried florals hanging with little beads in between.
Okay.
Like just, as a backdrop. But I thought, how cute if each of those could be a little banner or a little swag. You could put them on the front of a bridal table. But look how sweet, just to get these little tops of flowers and string them up on a little banner. Now, I'm not saying you couldn't do this with fake. You could even do it with silk flowers and it would be just as charming.
Gorgeous.
So super simple little flower heads I got from Amazon.
You coordinated with the ribbon, which makes it so special.
Yes.
These ideas are so great, so doable.
Yeah.
Don't take my my flower at the beginning.
takes
I'm
a minute.
gonna figure it out, really though. But Michelle, you're always sharing amazing, fun stuff. You're such a fun follow. Tell us where we can follow you on Instagram.
So the Glitzy Pear, and I've got the tutorials on these coming up this weekend, so watch for those, and it's gonna be fun.
So fun. Thanks so much, Michelle.
You bet.